Is the home team in this case, but at the end of the day, I just want to see Colorado play because it's Colorado. You know what I'm saying? They're the internet boys right now. I gotta see it, bro. But either way,
that'll be lit. Seeing Shedeur play.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Seeing Shedeur, Travis Hunter, all them, like that'll be a good game. And then UCF not too far away, you know. So, but
I think that's what Jamarcus gonna go on that.
They're going to the game. Oh, I'm tripping. That's Saturday night.
Yeah. They
Oh.
go to the game too.
And then drive back. Okay, I might be able to slide then. I don't know. We're going to see, man. YouTube, what is up? We are back. As y'all can see, we're talking about UCF and Colorado. I don't know. I'm not putting any bets in, but just understand that I have some favorites going into the game. We'll see however that game goes. That'll be next week. But I do appreciate y'all for coming for another video. On this video, I stopped by Dick's Sporting Goods earlier, grabbed some stuff. Once I get over to the field, I'll take out all this stuff, show y'all what we're working with, and, you know, get into the video. But let me get back. Yeah, you already know. Got Dre in the building. We about to hit the gym, hit the field, put in a little bit of work, get some content out for y'all boys. The return to YouTube has begun. I don't even know what return this is. It's probably my third return to YouTube. I need to stop calling it a return and just be like my next video. That's all it is, really. But yeah, we will be back. And then right there, I'm back at the field. You know, got my cleats and stuff like that out here. Got the ball, ladder. Lost this other glove, so I can't even show y'all that right now. But I did get some stuff today from, what is it called? From Dick's Sporting Goods. Set that camera up. And I was just a little bit higher. I mean, it is what it is. Give y'all a quick little unboxing. So first, we got these gloves. I kind of got them just because the colors went with these Adidas cleats, although they're different brands. Nice little colorway on there. And then it's about to be breast cancer awareness, so I like the pink color. So when I'm making videos in October, you guys will see these again. And then I also bought this Battle sleeveless hoodie. I've been seeing these, kind of like it. So I'm gonna start using this when I'm working out sometimes. And then I don't even think I ever obviously made a video on these cleats. Had these for a couple months now. You can see, barely use them. See the traction on the bottom. Good stuff here. But yeah, that's literally it. These are the Nike Vapor Jet. I don't think they have like a 2.0, 3.0 to them. But I got these at Dick's Sporting Goods, 45 bucks. And then I got the Battle shirt for 40, something like that. Yeah, there you go. About to put in a little bit of work today with the ladder. Trying to just get back in football shape, stuff like that. Never know what could be here in the future. These, I don't remember how much I paid for them. I want to say I got these at Dick's Sporting Goods as well. Like I said, I really, really, really like these. Super lightweight. Not as light as soccer cleats or anything like that, but still super lightweight. Love the colorway. Wish I'd have got some Adidas gloves to go with it. However, I'm not really complaining here. I like both Nike and Adidas when it comes to gloves. Sometimes I try and go off-brand and do like Battle or Cutters so then I can wear whatever cleats with it. But to be honest, I kind of stopped caring about the brand thing. And if I like it, I like it. I just wear it. I'm going to be ordering some stuff soon just to get back into accessorizing and things like that while I'm out here. Bring you guys some better content and, you know, getting back to the grind. But that's honestly all I have as far as the new things that I got. I'll do some in-depth reviews later on. But that's all I have for now out here at the field. I'm gonna record a little bit of this field work.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I fucked.
We're so close, people thought we had a love life. We loved each other way more than we love life. Still do. AJB. I used to be like, I don't need security. Street niggas. I don't want these niggas thinking that it's fearing me. At all. Told my driver be on point, he wasn't hearing me. Them shots went off, I'm steady calling, you ain't answering, you scaring me. Hello? In my city, if you winning, you can't stay. They call being broke real, they call getting money fake. I gave you a bitch, why you still looking at my date? I gave you some food, why you still looking at my plate, nigga? They say they love us, but that love might be hate. I can't really tell the difference, salt and sugar look the same. Look how they did Dex, look how they did Blake. Look how they tried to do me me, but got JB. Man, that jealousy so real, man, that hate so deep. Man, that envy shit so real, you make it out these streets, you saw it wasn't me. And still shocked, what she do to you? We was just winning, now I'm crying at your funeral. But every tear I shed another 1,000 on your head, nigga. So I fucking I show your face and think I'm playing, nigga. Every tear I shed another 1,000 on your head, boy. I show your face and think I'm playing, AJB. I wish I was sitting outside with you and I was in that back with you. You know your favorite rapper, wanna never let them guys get you. I would've shot him, left him dying, leaking in the street. Wouldn't have ran, would've smoked the roots and watched that man go to sleep. Hey, you think they came for her? Man, you know they came for me. They took my heart and my brain. Make it hard to breathe. All this nicotine make it hard to breathe. All these tears in my eyes make it hard to sleep. They found a murder weapon, bro, it's gonna be hard to beat. Then go pray to the Lord, don't be too. These niggas got my auntie with a headstone. Niggas telling me what to do like they smart as me. But they ain't take your heart from you, they took my heart telling you about them dreams I had. Niggas snatch my heart on my check, can't nobody replace it. When they ain't believe you was fucking with your baby. Make sure tea good, that's all I ever heard.
Quick little feet work. Nothing crazy. Just a little ladder, feel me? I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'd be surprised when I go to sweating and I barely did anything.
Hold on. Hey.
Sweat the waves out already. Hey, get super frizzy. Woo!
Do me last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the window. Last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the.
Shout out Weeball Sports, man. Yeah.
It's all yours from a distance. I was thinking, if you ever need me, come some.
Right here, and a half. Ready, go.
Play on this bitch, but he ain't playing. Get my ties with my people, now my grandfather pop. Ran it up all by myself, though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop, though. Yeah, in my head, I know what I know. Oh, and I say, I count 50s, all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say, stop me, no comparisons on that time, now, baby. Oh, yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now, oh, yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond, and now they see me on the rise. And I've been betrayed, it ain't no forgiving. Cause I'm riding a new Maybach, yeah. Walk with a whole lot of rabbit, yeah. Told on a whole lot of straps, yeah. Push a nigga shit way back, yeah. Cold as a bitch, no cap, yeah. Fuck nigga play, get smacked, yeah. Fuck they say stay fake, yeah. Kill a whole world, these racks, yeah. I feel alright, they say that I've been wrong my whole life. Like there was lights, but since it's not, I keep my soul tight. Cause I came from the bottom, can't make you forever be with somebody. Today I'm not hurt, I'm mistake every dollar. I'ma blow out the brain when I feel that I got my ties with my people, now my grandfather pop. Ran it up all by myself, though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop, though. Yeah, in my head, I know what I know. Oh, and I say, I got 50s, all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say, stop me, no comparisons on that time, baby. Oh, yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now, oh, yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond, and now they see me on the rise. I got some shit up in my head now. I'm on my shit, and I'm not scared now. Tryna do better, they know that I'm with it. I kill every nigga, I listen to clips. I see what they saying, and I know I'm not tricked. I'm fucking you just put me in that position. They posting that shit, tryna send me the print. I fuck through, I post to take care of my shit. I be flipping that man, it's stacked to the stick. Why the fuck should I care? I know that I'm winning. That nigga come try me, it's gonna be a murder. How the fuck am I die with no snake in my serve? How the fuck he gon' do when this nigga a servant? He claim me a boss, but this nigga a word. If I let in that bitch, it's gon' come cause I'm first. As far as they go, it won't go any further. Riding the car on the back of the curb. If I beat it up, fuck, man, I might as well go. I'm riding a new Maybach.
Good little day of work. Hot as I don't know what to call it. I didn't even end up wearing the gloves or any of that. Honestly, I just wore the shirt, cleats, put in the work, the little Weeball Sports towel, ladder, ball, you know, running around, skimming forward, right, doing all that good stuff. But I do appreciate y'all for tuning in. this is your first time here, please subscribe. If you are new or returning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to another video. I am out.